screen product review. Fantastic product. Highly recommended. Let me show you. Screened in porch edition. Couldn't be happier. Customers pleased. Beautiful product. Easy to use. Big screens. Beautiful product. Love it. Little triangles up top. Easy to do. Very sturdy, strong product. Let me take you inside, show you some details. Wonderful screening. Did an inside mount. White aluminum. A screw every 12 inches. Mitered the corners with a carbide miter box. Easy to cut. Details 3/16 off. Made a little jog. Very easy. Beautiful product. We did a bronze on the floor. Tapcon screws. Floor to ceiling. Wonderful product. Can't say enough about it. I will use it again if I ever do another porch like this. Absolutely beautiful. Highly recommended.